Blizzard 2010. Yeah, baby. Got a decent amount of snow. There's the fire hydrant. Yeah, I had to shovel out my driveway, neighbor's sidewalk, my stairs, the end of my driveway. Now I just gotta see who's gonna do the neighbor's driveway. Mad work to be done, but you know, I do work, so it's not a problem. I'm not getting paid, but I'm about to be getting laid. That's what I said. So don't be afraid to holler at your boy. I'm the only fool out here in shorts, but this is gonna be a short video, so that's all I gotta say. I'm about to be playing in the snow. Mad wind. Alright. Howdy.